got a check engine light, and noticing poor fuel economy, hesitation, or rough running. A low MAF sensor signal could be the reason. In this video, we'll explain what the P0102 code means, the common cause behind it, and the simple checks you can do before buying a new sensor. Let's diagnose the problem step by step and find out what's really causing the code. Welcome back to FixDrive DIY. If you're new here, this is a place for simple, practical car care tips and fixes you can do yourself. So make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Today, I'll walk you through what causes this code, how to diagnose it, and the easiest way to fix it yourself at home. Let's get into it. What is P0102 code? P0102 code is a generic code. That means your mass airflow MAF sensor is sending a weak or inaccurate signal to the engine computer. Common symptoms P0102 code: rough or shaky idle, like the engine struggling to breathe; sluggish acceleration that doesn't feel right; dropping fuel mileage from a bad air; fuel mix; dark smoke from the exhaust if too much; fuel is burning; occasional stalling, especially when slowing down or stopping. Most common causes P0102 code: dirty MAF sensor, clogged air filter, cracked or leaking intake hose, loose or damaged wiring connector, a worn out or failed MAF sensor. The DIY fix: cleaning the MAF sensor. The MAF sensor sits between the air filter and the throttle body. Gently remove it and take a look inside. The thin sensing wire often collects dust or oil buildup, and that's usually the culprit, sir. 1. Spray a proper MAF sensor cleaner directly on the wire. 2. Hold the sensor pointed downward so debris falls away and the wire isn't damaged. 3. Let it dry completely before reinstalling. 4. Reconnect the sensor. This simple cleaning resolves the issue on most vehicles. This simple cleaning resolves the issue on most vehicles. Clearing the code P0102. Grab your OBD2 scanner and clear the code. Take the car for a short drive. If the check engine light stays off, you're all set. If it comes back, you likely missed something else, often a vacuum leak or a wiring issue. And that's it. Fixing P0102 code isn't as scary as it looks. A simple cleaning does the trick most of the time. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy car care and DIY repair tips. Have a question or a car problem you want me to cover? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. This is FixDrive DIY. Fix it yourself. Keep it moving.